Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is a snack or breakfast item known as Besan Chilla. This is a low calorie, nutritious, protein rich recipe. So without any delays, let's dive into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course besan, and here I have 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 2 green chilies chopped, around 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, around 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, and 1 medium-sized onion finely sliced. And for the spices, today I have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and some salt to taste. To start off preparing the chilla, we need to make a batter. For that, I'm going to add in the gram flour or besan into a bigger bowl and dilute it with some water, a little at a time, so that there are no lumps formed in the batter. So I've prepared a lump-free batter, and you can see the consistency of the batter. It should be not very thick, not too runny also. Now I'll add in the spices. First goes in the salt, of course according to taste, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala powder, and coriander powder, along with the cumin seeds. Give it a quick mix again. And now I'm going to add in the onions, ginger, coriander leaves, and green chilies, and mix it thoroughly again. We might need a little bit more water, that we'll add in later. As you can see, the batter is a bit thick now, so I'm going to add in another half to 3/4 cup of water. And mix it, and we'll let this batter sit for at least half an hour before we start preparing the chillas out of it. So we'll start preparing the chillas now. I've already put my griddle on heat, and to it I'm going to add in some oil and spread it all over. My griddle is hot now, and to it I'm going to take 1 ladle of the chilla mixture and spread it. And with the ladle itself, I have spread the mixture, and now we'll allow it to cook approximately 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. So my chilla has been cooked from one side, and now I'm going to flip it over and cook it on the other side. I'm going to brush a little bit of oil on the top and cook it for 2 minutes on this side also. It is almost done. I'll flip it around, and I'll apply a little bit of oil on this side also, and flip it around again. I've cooked it for another minute after applying the oil, and my first chilla is ready. So I'll continue with the next one now. For that, I'm going to grease my pan again and add in a ladle of the mixture, spread it a bit. My besan chillas are ready, and this is best served with some green chutney, but kids love it with some ketchup. My besan chillas are ready, and friends, you all just saw how easy it was to make. So next time, if you are craving for something tasty yet nutritious, try this recipe, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And on that note, I'm going to end my video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.